ClickBank or dropshipping? Which one is actually easier to start in 2026? Because both are popular ways to make money online. But they're completely different. One doesn't require inventory. The other involves products, suppliers, and logistics. So which one is better for beginners? Let's break it down. In this video, we're going to compare how ClickBank works, how dropshipping works, the real differences between them, and which one is easier depending on your situation. If you're trying to choose a path, this will make things much clearer. ClickBank is based on affiliate marketing. You promote digital products and earn a commission for each sale. No product creation, no inventory, no customer support. Your main focus? Traffic. Dropshipping is different. You create an online store, list products, and when someone buys, a supplier ships the product to the customer. So you deal with store setup, customer service, delivery issues. Which one is easier to start? ClickBank wins here. Why? Because you don't need a store, suppliers, inventory, logistics. With dropshipping, there are more moving parts. Let's talk about cost. ClickBank, very low cost to start. You can begin with content, free traffic. Dropshipping usually requires investment, store setup, ads, product testing. Risk is another big factor. With ClickBank, low risk, no stock, no refunds to manage directly. With dropshipping, higher risk, delays, bad suppliers, customer complaints. Both can make money, but in different ways. ClickBank, high commissions per sale. Dropshipping, smaller margins but scalable with volume. So which is easier? ClickBank is simpler to start. Dropshipping is more complex but flexible. For beginners, ClickBank is usually the easier entry point. At the end of the day, it depends on your goal. But if you want a simpler path to get started, ClickBank is a strong option. If you want to see how this works step by step in a structured way, check the official page in the description. And if this helped you, subscribe, because the next videos will go even deeper.